Hi everyone, welcome back to IB Maths with Mr. Adil. Today we are going to talk about one of the most fundamental concepts in algebra, the equation of the straight line in slope-intercept form. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to write equations of lines from graphs or conditions and solve exam-styled problems step by step. Let's start. So first of all, let's make a quick reminder about how equation of the line looks like. We will consider slope-intercept form. It means that y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope. M is a slope. So this is here pictures represent the different types of the slope. If m slope is negative, then it will be looks like this. This is a case where m is equal to 0, and this is a case where with positive slope. Slope could be found by this equation, rise divided by run, or let me explain how rise looks like. So this is a rise, this is a rise, and this is a run. And you see that if I will change the location of this triangle, the rise and run will stay the same. So it doesn't matter where our line is located. The more important is that rise and run is the same. Okay, and y-intercept. Y-intercept is the intercept with y-axis. So if the line crossing the y-axis, let's say at point 2, so it means that c is equal to 2 here. Okay, now one more thing about the relationship between two forms of equation of the line. In the left side, you see the general form of equation of the line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And what's the connection with the equation of the line written in the slope-intercept form? Is it possible to convert one to another? Yes, for sure. So here in the left side we have to express y minus ax minus c, and then divide everything by b minus a over b, c minus c over, this is x, c over b. Okay, and this one is going to be our slope, and another one is going to be our y-intercept. Okay, and vice versa for the case with the slope-intercept form, we can make everything shifted to the left. So minus mx plus y minus c is equal to 0, and then just rewrite actually the coefficients, and we will get the general form. Okay, let's start with some practice questions. So it says that question 1, basic one, find the equation of the line passing through points 1, 2 and 3, 6. First of all, I'm going to write the equation of the straight line, mx plus c, and m, according to the formula, is delta y over delta x. So let's choose 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6, and delta x 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3. It is negative 3 over negative 4 over negative 2, which is 2. Okay, so we have found the slope. So slope is now 2. And now we should find the y-intercept. How to find the y-intercept? How to find c? We can take either of these points. Let's say the first one. We can also use the second one, doesn't matter. So let's use the point A, 1 and 2. So y is equal to, now instead of m we are going to plug 2x plus c, and now instead of x we plug 1, and instead of y we will put 2. So 2 is equal to 2 times 1 plus c. Let me use colors as well. Okay, and now c. You see that c for this case is equal to 0. So it means that the final equation of the straight line is 2x plus 0, or simply y is equal to 2x. So it is done. If we would like to see how the equation looks like, we have to sketch the graph, system of coordinates, x and y, Now we have 1 and 2, so it is 1 and 2. This is the first point, and this point is the second one. And if we will connect, we will get this equation of the line. Okay, now let's turn to the second question. So it says that the line has a gradient -2 and passes through point 4, 3. So -2. First of all, I'm going to write the equation of the line again, and it says that m is equal to -2, so -2x plus c. And again, as we did in the previous case, instead of x and y, we are going to put 3, 4 and 3. So 3 is equal to -2 times 4 plus c. Now we're going to calculate. We're going to calculate the c value. So c value is equal to 3 plus 8, which is 11. So finally, equation of the line, y is equal to -2x plus 11. Done. Okay, let's turn to the question number 3. So find the equation of the line which is parallel to the given line and passing through point 1 and -2. So 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now let's express y here. -3 is equal to -2x minus 5, and let's everything divide by -3. So it is 2 over 3 minus plus 5 over 3. Yeah, x here. And again, it's 1 and -2. So it means that, so what does it mean, the parallel? So we have a line, so this line, yeah, and we have a point. Our line must be parallel to the given line, So this is a point, 1, -2. And actually, we know that the slopes are equal. So the slope of this line, the first line, is equal to the slope of the red line. So they have a common slope. Y is equal to now 2 over 3x plus c. So this is the equation of the red line. Okay, so this is the equation of the red line. And now we are going to use our point, coordinates of the point, as we did in the previous examples, to find the c. So let's find c now. 2 over 3x plus c. And now we use the point again. So instead of y, we will plug -2, then 2 over 3 times 1 plus c. So here c is equal to -2 plus 2 over 3. Yeah, actually minus 2 over 3. And that's how we will get the value of c. So c is equal to -8 over 3. Okay, so the final equation looks like 2 over 3x minus 8 over 3. Let's have a read the question, what we have to find. So it says, give your answer in this format. Okay, so let's multiply everything by 3. 3y is equal to 2x minus y. And then let's put everything in the left side. 2x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And in the next video, I will solve some exam-style questions. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, and share this video with others. Thank you.